Well, good morning. Welcome back. We are watching that these snow showers have taken over the metro through the overnight. We have been dealing with this long duration storm system. It started off with snowfall. Some of those reports from Sunday were even getting upwards of 8 inches in the metro. Then we went to rain showers where ½ inch to an inch of rain showers accumulated. And now we're back to snowfall. We have seen that takeover was taking place as we stepped through the overnight hours here into the morning commute. We're noting that we have transitioned to all snow showers, and even noting that those snow showers over the last hour have picked up in intensity, meaning that we are seeing anywhere from ½ inch to inch reports that will be coming in over some hour time frames here through at least the next few hours. We're talking potentially through about 11 o'clock, so we'll definitely have some updates on that here as the morning rolls on. But we're noting that with those snow showers taking over, temperatures have fallen to and below that freezing mark. We're even noting Mound is down to 25, Maple Grove 26, so temperatures continuously dropping, and that's what we're going to see through the remaining day. We're even noting that temperatures off towards the north. International Falls at 13, Detroit Lakes at 16, Morris at 18, so cool air there off towards the northwest, and that's what's going to be working its way in as we work into some of these strong wind gusts as well. It's not only snowfall intensity picking up, but those wind gusts in place, they're getting upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour. So some blustery conditions here are in place, and that is also going to lead to those temperatures falling down into those single digits. So Tom and Hannah, it is definitely feeling like winter today.
No question.
Absolutely, and those temperatures too could potentially make things a little more complicated.
Right.
We're seeing temps that low, and we have full team coverage this morning of the weather conditions.
Our Bill Keller is standing by. He's on our Fox 9 weather tracker, showing you what to expect all around the area. We'll check in with Bill shortly, but first we're going to check in with multimedia reporter Mills Hayes in downtown Minneapolis. Last time we checked in, Mills, it was just starting to snow, and it sounds like there's more snow now. Good morning.
Good morning, Tom and Hannah. Yeah, the snow is really starting to come down now, and I've actually seen some people that have been using these sidewalks to walk to work, and as you guys can probably tell in the background over there, that sidewalk on the other side is just completely covered in snow. I spoke with one woman who was actually in crutches out here and was walking her dog, and she says the wind was just blowing her back and forth, so it is a little bit difficult to walk in downtown area. But this is something that we've been seeing over the past few days, is this snow slamming the Twin Cities area. And we know that police say at least 2 people died in storm-related crashes from the storm that started Sunday. The snow then switching over to rain is raising the concern for ice, especially as people hit the road to go to work this morning. This has been an unusually warm winter. You do not need me to tell you that. The lack of snow has been bad for many businesses that rely on winter tourism. Snow lovers haven't been able to enjoy much snowboarding, skiing, and ice fishing like they normally would. Sunday was the snowiest day in Minneapolis since last winter and the snowiest March day in 17 years. Some people tell me that they were convinced winter was over, but this storm was a wake-up call.
My 6 years living here, it's bizarre. It's been warm, not fun, and I'm not happy about getting snow this late in spring, even though it happens almost every year.
It is kind of nice to see that there's some snow on the ground, but obviously it's still a little late for the snow to come.
The people I've spoken with here in Twin Cities tell me that if you are new to the area, this was your first winter, well, you got it easy, because next winter it could be a little bit more harsh. This winter we haven't necessarily seen as much snow as we normally do, but we definitely are seeing it today, so make sure that you are bundling up whenever you walk outside. Live in Minneapolis, Mills Hayes, Fox 9.
All right, Mills, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you can see how things really changed from last hour when we checked in with Mills till now. You can see the snow coming down, and that's, of course, having a big impact on road conditions.
We've seen all kinds of spin-outs and accidents this morning. Bill Keller's now in our Fox 9 weather tracker in Eden Prairie. Probably not too far from the station. How are the roads around EP?
Not good. Take a look. This is Highway 5. We're heading eastbound, and you can see that the snow is accumulating, the ground temperature below freezing. In fact, we are in a 7,000-pound vehicle. We were going about 35 miles an hour. Had to slow down, and you could hear those anti-lock brakes just chattering away. So that ground is very frozen. It is very slippery. The dark brown stuff you see is not the asphalt. There is something between your tires and the actual pavement. That is going to be some compacted snow and ice. And, you know, we had 34-degree temperatures this morning. That produced a lot of heavy rain. Well, it didn't transition suddenly. It went right to snow with a little bit of sleet. Thankfully, no freezing rain, but there is, though, enough snow that is being compacted on the roads now that they are very slippery. So your bridges, your overpasses, and certainly anytime you have to stop at a stoplight or give way to another vehicle, give yourself plenty of extra stopping distance. We just drove by a vehicle while we were in the other camera, and the car went off the road. There was a westbound vehicle just before Highway 41 that was off in the center median. Looks like they're going to be there for a while. And they're probably not the only ones. State Patrol reporting now hundreds of accidents in the last 24 hours, including some pretty serious ones and more than a dozen jackknife semis. So don't make that list of statistics. Take it really easy out there this morning and make sure you can get to work safe.
That will ruin your day right there.
Yeah, absolutely. Challenging morning. Thank you, Bill. Stay safe out there.
Thanks, Bill.